Rihanna and boyfriend A$AP Rocky touched down in the Florida city earlier this week for the Rolling Loud Music Festival. After the event, they went out for some mac and cheese. Rihanna, 33, and A$AP Rocky, 32, are giving us all the feels. The adorable couple were spotted out in Miami, Florida yet again as they headed to the Rolling Loud Music Festival, where A$AP, Rakim Mayers, was headlining. The duo engaged in a passionate kiss as they stood in the crowd looking more in love than ever on Friday, July 23. Surrounded by security, glimpses of Rihanna's sexy gold mini dress could be spotted, which appeared to feature the graphic design of a face. She opted to add in long black hair extensions, drastically changing her short bob do. After the festival events, the couple continued their date night as they headed to hotspot restaurant world-famous House of Mac. The rapper sweetly placed his arm around RiRi as the pair smiled with restaurant owner Derrick Turton. Around 1 a.m. the Fenty beauty mogul changed out of her dress for a more casual ensemble, which included a white t-shirt and camo-colored pants. Earlier this week, Hollywood Life exclusively reported that A$AP and Rihanna were spotted at the exclusive One Hotel in Miami Beach. They arrived separately through a private entrance, a source told HL. It appeared that the Rude Boy singer was waiting for her rapper beau to arrive. She then entered the lobby area and immediately fell into his arms for a hug and kiss. How sweet. You could tell she was smiling even though she kept a very low profile with her hat and purple mask on. They got into an elevator together, the insider also spilled. Rihanna and A$AP appear to be happier than ever as they appear to be taking their relationship to the next level. While their recent romance blossomed during the pandemic, the pair have a past-friendly and seemingly romantic history, with Rihanna even appearing in A$AP's video as his girlfriend in the 2013 video for Fashion Killa. The rapper previously revealed that the pair found each other again after taking a road trip across America last summer. During his interview, "I met myself," he said of the cross-country trek to GQ. Being able to drive and do a tour without feeling like it was an occupation or an obligated job agreement, I feel like that experience is like none other. Related gallery. Rihanna's sexiest photos of all time.